Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using React 18 and Java, and I hope you understand that all stuff. Like we have just covered up many of the tutorial videos using React 18. We have just done 60 plus video, and now with React 18 we have started the Java tutorial as well. And in Java tutorial we have just also done many of the videos, and I hope you understand the previous video of Java as well. So today we are just also not working on Java React 18. Today we are just doing the big video, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video because it will be also giving you help. So today I will be telling you that how we are just building this amazing project. Moving forward, I will be telling you that what project we are building today, but it will be really helpful. And today we are just building our project using Next.js 13, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying today's project. If you understand, enjoy this video and this project, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so from which you will be notified with all the future videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing projects and videos which I am uploading. You can also check my previous videos out, like I have just built many of the videos using JavaScript as well, because when we were not doing the React 18 tutorial, so I was just covering up the JavaScript project based tutorial. You can check that out, because in that project based tutorial I've just also built big projects and small project that will giving help to a beginner if they want to learn JavaScript from start to end. You can just also tell me in the comment section like what tutorial I should make in future, so I'll be building that. And you can also suggest me the projects which I should make using which language, so I'll be also building that. You can also just tell me about like what questions and queries you are having from my projects. You can ask me in the comment section, or you can ask me personally through my Instagram and Gmail, and all the links which I have provided in the description. And also you can just tell me like what things I should make and what tutorials I should make moving forward when I just covered up this React and Java tutorial. So I was just getting the demand of starting Java tutorial, and because of that I have started now Java tutorial, and now we are covering up React 18 and Java tutorial both. So I hope you'll be understanding both video, and both video will be really helpful for you. So now we'll be starting with our today's video, and we'll be seeing that how we are just building our today's project, and what project we are just building, and how we are using the language. We are using Next.js 13 in that from start. So now we'll be seeing that how we are just building this project from start to end in Next.js 13. An amazing project using this amazing Next.js 13, and today I will be telling you that how we are just building this amazing RSS feed reader website. We have also built it previously on, but we have not used Next.js 13 to build this. So today we are building this RSS feed reader website using Next.js 13. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for building this, I will be opening my VS Code. After opening the VS Code, I will be closing all these files. Then I will be opening my folder, which is on desktop, and my folder name is RSS feed reader website. Here it is. So I will be opening my main file, and then I will be erasing all the codes because I will be not needing these all stuff here. So you can see now I've just erased these all stuff. After erasing these all file, you have to save it here. Then move to this file here. And after moving to this file here, I will be just moving here. And then here you have to now just erase this all codes from here as well. Then you have to press Ctrl B to close side panel. Then I will be now just going to my desktop, and then I will be opening my file here. This is my browser, and you can see it is totally empty. So I will be doing it side by side here. Coding side at the left, and at the right our interface side. So I will be making my coding side bigger. So you can see I've just done that. Now from here we'll be starting our main codes. So here I will be moving down after the body tag and making a header. And in this header I will be just giving it the class. In class I will be just writing here navigation container, because first of all we will be creating our nav bar. Then write here the class of top head. So I will be writing this. Then you have to now just write here div class. Then I will be now just writing here web name. So here I will be writing. Then here I will be just writing h1. And here you have to write tech news like this. Then you have to write here div class again. And now in this div class I will be writing hem btn. Then you have to just move down right here span tag I tag class. And in class this time I will be writing fas fa bars. Here you have to just move down, and then after moving down you have to create div class times btn. Then you have to write here span tag I tag. Then write here again class. In class I will be writing fas fa times like this thing. Then you have to now just move down, write here div class, and write here nav dash bar. After creating this, just you have to write the ID here, nav dash bar. Then when you just written this, you have to write here nav, and then write here ul tag, write li a tag. Then you have to now just write here home. After writing this home, you have to now just move at the front and write here li a tag. Then write here current, So here I will be now just writing current affairs like this. Then you have to just move down and write here li tag, a tag. Then here I will be just writing archive. Then you have to now just write here li tag, a tag. Then here I will be just writing featured. After writing featured, write here li tag, a tag. And then here I will be just writing broadcast. So here I will be writing this. After writing this broadcast, here you have to write li tag, a tag. Then here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like category. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just do one thing, like here I will be moving after the div here. And after moving the div here, I will be writing social icons. Then you have to just write here ul tag, li tag. Write here a tag. Then I will be now just writing here I tag. In I tag you have to write class fab, fa, Facebook. Then you have to just now move down after this. Write here li tag, a tag. Write here I tag again. Then class fab, fa, Twitter. So here I will be writing Twitter. Then you have to write here li, a tag. Then in this I will be writing class fab, fa dash Instagram. Then you have to now just write here li tag, a tag. Then I will be now just writing here class which should be fab, fa YouTube. Now when you've just written this, here you have to move after the header tag and then write here section. Here I will be giving it the class banner. Then you have to just write here div class, and in class I will be writing here banner main. Then you have to write here content. Then you have to just write here h2, and in h2 I will be writing get the worlds, and then write here latest tech news like this, because we are building the RSS news reader. So I will be now just writing here worlds leading tech news. Here I will be writing, or you can say tech portal you can write. So here when you've just written this, you have to move down after this tag, write here button a tag. Then after this a tag, here I will be just writing no more. So here I will be writing no more like this. Write here div class, and then in this I will be writing current news. Write here head. Here you have to just write h3 and write here apple, and then write glasses like this. And here you have to write what we expect like this thing. Then you have to write here what we think we are. So here I will be now just writing. Write here spend tag. Then I will be writing by. You can write here your name as well, but I will be writing here my name. Then when you just written this, you have to move down, write here h3 tag. Then I will be writing what it is. Then you have to write here what it's. So here I will be writing what is it like. Then here I will be now just what it's like to have Elon Musk. So here I will be now just writing this like this. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing old phone number like this thing. This is the news which I am writing here. And then you can just give it any other name here. Like I will be writing Amrar and Hitty like this. You can write different names here you want to write here. So now you can see here like this, you can write different, you can say the news is here. So I will be writing watch the exact. Then I will be writing watch the exact moment. Then I will be just writing Chris Pratt. Then here I will be writing accidentally like this thing. Then I will be writing delete and write here 51 comma. Then I will be writing here emails, and here I will be writing span, and then in span I will be now just writing here by, and here you can just write here Googl like this. You can write different name, and then I will be writing fishing, and then you have to write here Beora, which is the name here I've written. After writing this, here you have to move down again. You have to write h3, write here Richard, and write here grandsons. Then here you have to write here Virgin and write orbit. So these are the news which I am writing here. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing a rocket from. And when you've just written this, here I will be writing mid-air Sunday. Right here is pen tag. Then I will be writing by Eric. Then I will be writing Mac. Now when you've just written this, here you have to move after the two divs. Write here div class, and then you have to write here banner sub content. And then when you've just written this, here you have to just write here div class hot topics. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just move down, write here images slash. Then I will be just writing here banner news. So here I will be now writing here one. Then you have to just move down, write here div class, and in this I will be writing hot topics. So here I will be now just writing here hot topic content. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here h2, and then write here Twitter. And after writing Twitters, here I will be writing new retweet. So here I will be writing, then I will be writing with comment like this. Then here you have to write counter. So here I will be writing counter is available. So here I will be now just writing here available on Android. So here I will be writing on Android and web like this. Now when you just written this thing, just here you have to now move after this tag. And after moving forward, you have to just move down right here h3, and I will be writing here new topic 1. Then you have to just move down right here p tag, and then after writing p tag, here you have to just write lorem. And then when you just written this, you have to write here a tag. Then I will be now just writing here read more like this. Then here you have to just move down right here div class and write here hot topic. Then when you just written this, I will be writing images slash, and we have to write here banner news 2. Then when you just written this, here you have to move down right here div class and then right here hot topic. Then I will be writing here content. Then when you just written this, I will be writing h2 Twitter new retweet. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be writing with comment. Then when you just written this, here I will be writing with comment counter is now. So here I will be writing is now. Then I will be writing here like this available, and here you have to write on Android. So here I will be writing on Android and web like this. Now when you just written this, here you have to now just do one thing, like we have to write h3 new topic. So here I will be just moving after this h2 which we have written here. Then I will be now just writing here h3, and then you have to write here new topic 1. Then you have to just move down right here p tag, lorem tag again. Then you have to write here a tag and write here read more. Save it. Then you have to just reload. You can see we are just getting all these things here and all these images like this. Now when you are getting this, you have to just copy this thing here from, then you have to directly paste it here. After pasting, just you have to change the image to banner 3. Then simply move down, and then you have to write here 4. So here I will be now just giving it the name 4. Then I will be just moving down, paste it, and after pasting, just here you have to now just erase this thing. And after just doing this thing, here I will be now doing one thing, like here I will be just moving after this section tag right here hr tag main tag. Then here you have to write section class, and here you have to write here main container left. Then I will be now just writing here h2 and right here top stories, and right here a tag which should be like div class. Then when you just written this, here you have to write container top left. So here I will be writing this. Then right here article, and in article I will be writing images slash, and then you have to write here top left dot jpeg. So here I will be now writing here. Then when you just written this, here you have to write div and right here h3, and h3 here I will be writing best used cars. So here I will be writing best used cars under. Then you have to now just write here $20. Then you have to write here 1000. And now when you just written this, here I will be writing for families. Then when you just written this, here you have to now move down after this tag, right here p tag and then lorem tag here, and here you have to write a tag right here read more. Then when you just written this, here you have to now just write a tag here after this tag. So I will be now writing here spend tag, then write this tag here. Here you have to just move down there, and I will be writing here div class container bottom. Then I will be just writing here left. Here you have to write article, and in article I will be now just writing here images, and in images here I will be writing slash which should be like bottom left. So here I will be now just writing this thing right here div, and then right here h3 write best smart speakers. So here I will be now just writing this for the year. So when you just written this thing, right here p tag, and then you have to write lorem. Here you have to write a tag, and then right here read more. So after writing read more, I will be just giving a span and then making this tag here right here article, and then after writing this I will be writing images slash right here bottom 2. Then when you just written this, here you have to write div tag, then right here h3 and right here iPad, and then you have to just write here pro reviewed like this. Then you have to just write here has the iPad. So here I will be now just writing become my, then right here main computer now. Then here you have to just do one thing, like you have to move down after this tag, and then you have to write here p tag and right here lorem. And after writing this, here you have to just move down, right here a tag, then right here read more spend tag, then make this tag here like this. After creating this, you have to move after this section tag, write again section, and here I will be now writing here class main, then I will be just writing here container and write here write. Then you have to just write here h2 and then write here latest stories like this. Then when you've just written this, here I will be writing article, and in article you have to just write here h4 and write here Justin like this. Then after writing this, you have to write here div h2, then write here here's now. Then I will be just writing how to track and write here your stimulus. So here I will be now writing here your stimulus check with the IRS. Then I will be writing get my, and here I will be writing payment portal. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to just write here p tag Lauren. Then when you just written this, here you have to write a tag, write here read more. Then I will be now just writing here spend tag. Then you have to just move down, right here images slash. Then I will be writing here write one. And when you just written this, here you have to write article, and in article I will be now just writing a tag here which should be like h4, right here Justin. Then you have to write div tag, and then you have to just write here h2, write the best. So here I will be writing the best outdoor games to play. Then I will be now just writing with your, and now when you just written this, here I will be writing with your family. And then you have to just move down, right here p tag Lauren. Then you have to just move down a tag, and then here I will be writing read more. So after writing this, here you have to write spend tag, then write again to this column here. After writing here, you have to write image, and in image I will be writing images slash write to. So you can see this is the write to tag which I want to write here. Then I will be copying this article from here, and here you have to paste this. And then here I will be just changing the image to write 3. Then here again I will be pasting it. Then you have to now just write it write 4 like this. And simply here I will be just moving down again and write here write 5. So here you can see we have just written this. After writing, just you have to move after the section tag, write here footer div class, write here footer container. Then I will be just writing here div class, and after writing div class, you have to write here footer left. Then here you have to just move down, write here h2, and then in capital I will be writing here tech news. Then you have to just write here p tag lorem tag here. Then you have to just write div class, and in class I will be writing here footer right. Then you have to write here h2 newsletter. So here I will be now just writing this, and after writing here you have to write p tag, and then you have to write here again the lorem tag. Then you have to just move down after this p tag, write here div input, type should be text, and then here in this I will be writing placeholder should be email address. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here I tag class, and then I will be writing FA envelope. Then you have to now just move down, right here a tag which should be like copyright, and in copyright I will be just writing and copy like this. And you have to now just write here 2025 all rights reserved. Then I will be now just writing here my name. Then when you've just written this, here you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be saving it, then you have to reload. So you can see we are getting all these things here. Now I will be just moving to this file to just make it good looking. So here for doing this, here I will be making this tab, right here box sizing border box, and then you have to write here padding 0. Here you have to now just write here margin 0. Then you have to now just write here root. So here I will be now just writing heading. So you have to write now heading which should be like Montserrat. So here I will be now just writing here Montserrat like this. Then you write here comma sans serif. Then you have to move down here, then write here body tag and write here font family. So here I will be now just writing here font family railway comma sans serif. Then you have to write here background which should be white. Then here I will be now just writing here width 100%, and here you have to write UL. Then write here list style which should be none. Then you have to now just write here a tag, write text decoration none. Then you have to write here color black. Then you have to now move down, and after moving down just you have to write here HR, and then here you have to write width VW, write here margin 0 auto. Then I will be now moving down, write here top hat, write here display, and here you have to write flex. Then you have to write here justify content space between. So here when you just written this, here you have to now move down, right here align item center.
then right here margin 0 auto. Then I will be just now writing here background, which will be like 252525. Then right here color of text white. And then when you just written this, just you have to write padding 20 pixel, 30 pixel. Right here dot top head here, and then you have to write here FAS. Right here font size, and in font size I will be writing 2REM. And then you have to just write here cursor, which should be pointer. Then I will be writing times PTN. Then I will be just writing here display none. So when you just written this, here you have to move down. Right here nav bar, and then you have to now just write here background, which should be like 333. Then right here height, which should be like 0. Then you have to write here overflow. So here I will be now writing overflow hidden. Then when you've just written this, I will be writing here show nav. After creating this show nav, here you have to now just write the height. So I will be writing here height auto. Then you have to just write nav bar. And then write here ULLI. Write here text align. Then I will be now just writing here in center. So you have to write text align center. Then you have to now just write a tag which should be like display block. Then right here padding, which should be 15 pixel 0. Then when you've just written this, you have to write here transition, which should be all 1s ease in out. Then you have to just move down right here dot nav. Then I will be writing here nav bar ULLI, and here I will be writing hover. Right here background, then I will be writing 0e. Then here you have to write dot nav dash bar ULLI. So here I will be writing ULLI. A tag, then you have to write here color white. Then write here text decoration none. Then when you just written this, here I will be just writing here uppercase. So here I will be just writing this. Now you have to just move down. Right here dot nav bar. Then you have to write here ULLI A tag. Right here hover, and write text decoration underline. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here social icons. Now when you've just written this, here I will be writing social icon display, and here I will be writing display none. So after writing this, you have to write here banner, and then in banner I will be writing here min height auto. So here you have to just write display grid like this. Then you have to write here grid template columns, which should be 1FR. Then write here align items, and here should be center. Then I will be just writing here padding, which should be like 30 pixel 0. Then when you just written this thing, here you have to now just move down. Right here margin top 8 pixel. Then you have to just write here dot banner. Then I will be writing main content. Here you have to just write padding, which should be 0 to REM. Then you have to just write here line height, which should be 1.7. Then you have to just write here dot banner main content. Then I will be now just moving here, but before that you have to write H2. After writing this H2, you have to move here, then move down, and then here I will be writing font size 2REM. Then I will be just moving down. Right here line height, which should be like VAR, or you can say 1.7 I will be writing. Then you have to write here banner main content, which should be like this time H3, or you can say here in H2 I will be just now writing here not the line height. You have to write here font family in H2, which should be VAR. Then you have to make the bracket, and here I will be writing heading. After creating this heading, you have to just make this curly bracket here. Then you have to just move down, and then write here padding 1 REM 0. Then I will be just writing here dot banner main content. So here I will be now just writing here main content here, and then you have to write here button, which should be border, and I will be just writing here none. Right here background 252525. Then I will be just writing here padding 14 pixels. So here I will be now writing here 14 pixel, 18 pixel. Then here I will be just writing here font size, which should be 1.2 REM. So here I will be now writing here. Then you have to just write here font family, which should be like Mont Serif. So here I will be writing this. Right here comma sans serif. Then you have to now just write here transition, which should be like background 1s ease. Then you have to just now do one thing, like here I will be just moving at the back. Then I will be just writing here dot banner. Then I will be now just writing main content like this. Right here button A tag. Right here color, which should be F3. Then here you have to move down. Right here transition, which should be color 1s keys. Then you have to just write here banner main, then I will be just writing here content, right here button, hover, then you have to just write here background, which should be white, then you have to just write here banner, main content, and then when you just written this, here you have to write hover a tag, then write here color, which should be 0D, 0A, 0B. Then you have to just move down right here current news head. Then here when you just written this thing, then when you just written this here you have to write background white. Then right here padding 20 pixel. Then I will be now just writing here font size 12 pixel. Right here margin 20 pixel 0. Then right here current news head. Then here I will be writing h3 and right here padding 6 pixel. Then you have to just write here cursor pointer. Then here I will be just writing position related. Right here current news head. Then you have to now just write here h3 hover. Then you have to just now write here before. After writing before, you have to write here content. Then you have to just now write here this tag and then close it. Write here position absolute. Then you have to just write here left minus 12 pixel. Then you have to move down, and after moving down you have to create a tag which will be like current news head, and then write here span tag, write display block, and then you have to write here font family var. Then I will be just writing here heading, then write here font weight 300. Then you have to just write here text transform, which should be like uppercase. Then you have to now just move down again, write here hot topic like this, write overflow, which should be hidden. Then you have to just write here position, which should be relative. Then here I will be just writing width 100%, and then you have to just write here padding, and in padding I will be writing 12 pixel. Write here height 300, so here I will be writing. Then you have to write here hot topic image. Then you have to just write here display block. Then I will be now just writing here hot topic. Then I will be just writing here content. Here you have to just write position, write absolute, and then after writing this you have to write bottom 0. Then you have to now just write here left 20 pixel, and you have to just write here right 20 pixel. Then you have to now write here padding 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Then you have to just now write here line height, and line height should be 1.3. Write here color f3, f3, f3. Then you have to just now move down, right here hot topic. So here I will be just erasing this. Then right here dot hot topic like this. Then you have to just move down, and after moving down here I will be just now removing this one f3. And after writing this hot topic, and then here I will be just writing h2 by giving a space. Then you have to just write here padding 10 pixel 0. Then write here font size, which should be 18 pixel. Write here text shadow. So here I will be now just writing text shadow 0, 2 pixel, 000. Then I will be just moving down, and after moving down you have to just write dot hot topic again, and then write here h3 this time. And now when you just written this, you have to write here padding 10 pixel 0. Then write here font size, which should be 16 pixel. Write here text shadow, which should be 0, 0, 2 pixel. Then I will be now just writing here 0 means black. Then I will be just writing here hot topic again, p tag. Write here padding 10 pixel 0. Write here font size 15 pixel. Write here text shadow, which should be 0, 0, 2 pixel, and write here black. Here you have to write padding 12 pixel and write here 10 pixel. Then you have to write here hot topic. Then I will be now just writing here content a tag. Write here display, write block. Then I will be just writing here background, which should be like f3, f3, f3. Then you have to just write here border none. Then I will be now just writing here width 95 pixel. Here you have to just now write here border radius, which should be like 2 pixels. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here text align center. Then write padding 7 pixel, 10 pixel. Then when you just written this, here you have to write font size 14 pixel. Then you have to just now write here margin 10 pixel. So here I will be writing 0, 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Save it, reload. So you can see now we are just getting these all stuff styled. Now when you are getting this, here you have to now just write this margin here. Then write here hot topic. So here I will be now writing hot topic dash content a hover. So here I will be writing a hover. Then write here text decoration underline. Then when you just written this, write here main a tag, then write padding 15 pixel 0, write here display block, then I will be now just writing here transition all 0.5s. Then you have to just move down, write here main span tag, and after writing a span tag here you have to just write transition, and then after writing transition here I will be just moving, and then you have to just write here padding left. So here I will be now writing here padding left 0.5s. Then you have to write here main a tag, write here hover, then write span tag, then you have to just now write here padding left, then you have to just write here 5 pixel, write main a tag hover, then you have to write here color, write 7 AC 64D, then you have to just now move down, write here main container, and after writing main container here you have to just now write here left. Here I will be writing padding 30 pixel, then you have to write 10 pixel. Here I will be writing main container, and after writing main container you have to write left h2, write here padding. So here I will be now just writing 15 pixel 0 15 pixel, then 30 pixel. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here dot main container, then you have to now just write here left and write h3, then you have to just move down, right here padding 10 pixel 0, then I will be just writing here font size 18 pixel, and here you have to write font family, right here var, and then right here heading. So here I will be just closing this. Now when you've just written this, here you have to now move down, right here main container. So here I will be now writing main container, write this left e tag, then you have to just write here font size, which should be 15 pixel. Then you have to now just write here font weight like this, and here I will be just writing 300, then write here main container left, write here article, and then you have to now just write here padding 10 pixel. Save it, then reload. So if I show you, you can see we are just getting all these things here. Now when you are getting this, so here I will be just moving down after this, write here container top left, and then you have to write here padding, and write here 15 pixel 30 pixel, write here dot container, and write here bottom left. Here you have to write background, write f3, then you have to just write f3 f3 f3, then you have to just write here margin 15 pixel, then you have to write here 30 pixel. Here you have to just now write here main container. So here I will be writing right, then I will be just writing here padding 30 pixel, and then you have to write here 10 pixel. Then you have to move down, and after moving down here you have to just now write here dot main container. So here I will be now writing here, then you have to write here right h2, write here padding 15 pixel 0 15 pixel 30 pixel, then write here main container right, then here you have to write article, then you have to write here display grid, and write here grid template columns, which should be like 1fr 3fr 1fr, then you have to write here padding 15 pixel 0, write here border bottom, then I will be now just writing here 1 pixel solid, and here you have to write 7 AC 64D, then you have to just move down, right here dot main container, and then you have to now just write here right and write article. After writing this, you have to write here last child and write border bottom, write here none. Then you have to now just move down, right here main container, write here right image, then you have to write here width 100 pixel, then write here height, which should be 100 pixel, write here align self center. Then you have to just move down, and then you have to write here main container, write here right and write h4, then you have to just write here text align center. So here I will be writing, then write here text transform uppercase, then you have to just write here font weight, and in font weight I will be just now writing here 300, write here font size, which should be 12 pixel, write here align, and then you have to write here align self, which should be center, then you have to write here main container, which should be like right article, then you have to just write here h2, then you have to move down, right here font size, which should be like 18 pixel, then you have to just now write here padding, which should be 10 pixel 0, then write here font family, which should be like var, then you have to write here heading. Then when you just written this thing, just I will be now moving down after this tag, and after writing this heading, here you have to write main container, then I will be now just writing here right, write article p tag, write here font size, then I will be now just writing here 15 pixel, then you have to write here font weight, this should be like 300, then you have to just write here main container, right, then you have to just write here article div, then you have to just write here margin right, then I will be now writing here 10 pixel, here you have to write footer, in footer I will be now just writing here background 252525, right here text color f3 f3 f3, right here padding 30 pixel, then you have to now move down, right here footer h2, right padding 10 pixel 0, here you have to write footer p tag, then right here padding 10 pixel 0, and then you have to now just write here line height, which should be like 1.3, then you have to write here a tag which should be like footer left, then right here footer right like this, after writing here you have to write margin 0 20 pixel, right here footer, then you have to write here p tag, and after writing footer p tag, here you have to now just write text align in center, then you have to write here opacity which should be 0.8, then right here margin top which should be 20 pixel, then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down, right here footer right I tag, then you have to write here font size which should be like 1.8 rem, then you have to now write here color, and in color I will be just now writing here 80, so here I will be writing 8080, then you have to now just move down, right here footer right, and here you have to just write input, and then you have to now move down and write here font size which should be like 18 pixel, then I will be now just writing here border none, right here background transparent, here you have to just write here outline none, then you have to now just write color which should be 808080, then you have to just write here padding right which should be 10 pixel, right here width 100% like this, then you have to just write here dot footer right, then you have to just write here div, here you have to now write display flex, then when you just written this, here you have to write align items center, then when you just written this, here I will be writing justify content which should be start, then here you have to write width 200 pixel, here I will be now just writing padding which should be 10 pixel 0, then you have to now just write here border bottom, then you have to write here 1.6 pixel solid, then you have to write here 808080, then you have to write here @media. Now you can see we have just written these all stuff here, so now when you just done that, save it, reload, and you can see now we are getting all these things, and you can see this is our you can say project which we have just built, and this was our amazing you can say the project which we have now built. So this was our amazing project of RSS news feeder website. You can see here it is our RSS feed reader website which we have built. Here you will be getting all the news with the images and the text. You will be getting the top story, then read more. Here you will be getting the button here as well. Then we are also getting the latest stories, and in the end we are getting the copyright section. So this is the thing which we have built. I hope you understand how we have just built this project here of RSS feed reader website in Next.js 13, and I hope you understand this video. If you understand, enjoy this, so remember to hit a like, and also if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand. So I'll be just meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, good bye.